Okay, so for this one, then
You want to face this way, or
I'm thinking maybe you could just lounge on the
on that?
Yeah. You just lounge on it and
I don't know how to.
and just be like, you know, what you should do is lounge on that and be like, welcome to the backyard.
Yeah.
Use it to your advantage. So what do you think?
I think it's too far back. What do you think?
Yeah, you look really uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and, yeah, we'll do that. I don't want the sun completely in your face. What's your last sentence before you walk in the door?
Come join us for a tour of this beautiful home.
Okay. And then you're just gonna walk right into the door?
Walk right in, right?
And then I'll just follow you, and then it'll just stop from there.
Okay, we're gonna do it in 2 parts?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see how it goes. Okay.
Yeah, definitely 2 parts. And when you get inside, you'll do your second part, whatever.
Yeah, but this will do maybe 2 parts to the intro.
Okay. Well, whenever you're ready, this is gonna be take 1. Go ahead.
Your beautiful new home awaits. Your beautiful new home awaits.
This is gonna be take number 3.
Your beautiful new home awaits. Pride in ownership shows. Pride in ownership shows in this beautiful split-level home. It's a generous size located on a cul-de-sac and Prospect.
Okay. Is that what? Take 1?
Let's take 1.
Yep.
How does it sound?
So.
When I say that, follow me. Check out your own private oasis.
All right. Whenever you're ready.
And we're gonna do a one shot for those that's here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready, action.
All right, come follow me to check out your own. Oh.
Okay, mask off. Here we go. And action.
Come follow me to check out your own private oasis.
All right, so now what we're gonna do is, so let's see. We're gonna come down. And what I wanna do is,
walk through the chair.
All right, now turn around and.
Your beautiful backyard offers a concrete patio with an awning, above ground pool with a wood deck, and a gorgeous flat level yard.
All right, so what you're gonna do is, you're gonna come down the stairs, so you're not in focus in camera, and then you're gonna come down the stairs and you're gonna walk like you're doing. I'm just gonna be behind you.
Walk like nice and easy.
Yeah. Okay. So ready, action. All right, so it's gonna be like take 4 or something, but we like this concept, and we're gonna go and okay, and action.
Your beautiful backyard offers a spacious concrete patio with an awning, above ground pool with a wood deck, and a very well cared for manicured flat yard.
So perfect. What do you guys think?
Looks good.
This is how we do the videos for Mr. Joe Waters.
Your beautiful new home awaits. Pride in ownership shows on this generous size split-level home located on a beautiful manicured lot on a cul-de-sac and Prospect. Hi, I'm Joe Waters with Parkview Properties. Come join us for a tour of this beautiful home. As we enter, we're greeted by a spacious living room that has hardwood flooring, a bay window that allows for natural lighting, and a cozy propane fireplace. The living room opens to the dining area. The dining area features custom woodworking and opens to the kitchen. The kitchen has butcher block countertops, refinished cabinetry, a center island, and custom built-in cabinetry as well. Adjacent to the dining area is a generous-sized family room that has wall-to-wall carpeting and Anderson sliders that lead out to a beautiful backyard. Come follow me to check out your own private oasis. Your beautiful backyard offers a spacious concrete patio with an awning, above ground pool with a wood deck, and a well-manicured level flat yard. Thank you for joining us today on a tour of this beautiful home. In addition, it features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, central AC, a 2-car garage, and updates to the roof and siding in the last 10 to 15 years. Be sure to schedule your viewing of this beautiful home today. To get additional information and a schedule showing, click on the link in the description. Thank you very much.